Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a bootable USB drive for Windows 7 so that you can use the USB drive in future to install Windows 7 instead of using CD drive. To create a bootable USB drive you need a PC running Windows 7, XP or Vista or 8, and you also need an installation disk where you have Windows 7, and you need a USB flash driver, like a pen drive with at least 8 GB free storage. So let's create a USB bootable drive. First of all, you need to open command prompt. You can open it here. Just type cmd and right click, run as administrator. Yes. Now type disk path, and then press enter. Now to see the number of disks, you need to write disk list disk and then press enter. It will show how many disks I have already in online or offline. You can see I have 3 disks here, so I have to ensure that in which drive I want to create a bootable disk. You need to ensure that in which disk I will create a bootable USB drive. So here you can see 2 is with GB, so you can see 901 GB, and here 476 GB, and another is 700 something megabyte. So this would be the pen drive or flash drive. So I can be sure that disk 2 is my drive. So select disk 2. So I can write here 2. Now clean it. Now create a partition, primary partition. Create primary partition. Create partition primary. Then press enter. Primary partition is created. Now select partition 1, what I have created. Oops, it's wrong. Partition. Select partition 1. Yes, it is selected. Now activate. And it's activated. Now format it. Format plus MTFS. You can write quick so that it format quickly my selected drive, selected disk. Press enter. It is formatted successfully. Here you can omit the quick parameter if you want to format the disk as usual, but if you use the quick, then your disk will format quickly. Now assign it. Assign. Whenever I have assigned, it's this will appear. That means the disk is assigned successfully. Cross it. Now exit from the disk part, not the command prompt. So exit, press enter. We are almost done here. So now go to next command. Now I have to check which disk drive is my CD drive. Let's see this. Here I can see my Windows installation drive is inserted in H drive. My Windows 7 disk is inserted in H drive, and I am creating J drive as a bootable disk. So I have to keep in mind. Now go to H drive, which is my CD drive, and CD boot. Now type boot sect 1960, and my USB drive is J. So right here and press enter. So in my Z drive, the boot manager is updated and there is volume. Now everything, we are very close to finish. So now close it and just visit to my Windows 7 installation disk. Yeah, and want to open it here. And to open another window in that side. So just copy all the item in the CD disk and paste to my pen drive or USB drive. Restarted. Here you can see the total size we need is about 4 GB. So 4 GB would be fine. However, I think a little bit more space would be fine. So I have considered the total space is at least 8 GB. However, 8 GB is not required. A bit less, I think 4 GB plus would be fine. So all the item from the Windows 7 CD is copied to my drive. So my disk is ready now to use as a bootable disk. So thank you for watching the video.